Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The top iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases cater to a wide range of requirements. Do you want to be completely safe? Is there anything slim? Is there something lovely? What about something built from environmentally friendly materials? In our guide below, we've got options for all of these things and more. Apple's iPhone series will get a variety of new features, including 5G connection and a rear LiDAR sensor for better photography. But don't forget about Apple's contributions to the industry. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro have superior durability than prior iPhones, with a higher water resistance certification and a ceramic shield display that protects the phone from drops. Even with the increased durability, you'll want to get a new case for your iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. And, thankfully, you have a variety of options for safeguarding your $999 phone. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases 2021, so let's get started. 6. Ringke Onyx Case. The Ringke Onyx iPhone 12 Pro cover is a great option for anyone searching for a case that is both simple and sophisticated. It's made of flexible, long-lasting TPU, so you can rest easy knowing your phone is safe even if you drop it from a few feet onto concrete. Despite the fact that the Ringke Onyx case's surface is matte, you won't have to worry about fingerprints because Ringke actively defends against them. Furthermore, thanks to the phone's built-in lanyard holes, you may add specific hand or neck straps if desired. For less than $15, this is one of the best iPhone 12 Pro cases available. 5. Ocyclone Suitcase Series. Only developed for the iPhone 12 5G and iPhone 12 Pro 5G, 6.1-inch, coming in 2021. The Ocyclone Suitcase series phone case supports wireless charging. One-of-a-kind suitcase design, the exterior design of the suitcase not only distinguishes your iPhone 12 case from others by making it look more adorable and distinctive, but it also makes it the greatest companion for your new iPhone. In both portrait and landscape mode, the iPhone 12 case with stand allows you to comfortably enjoy movies or video call friends. The stand can be retractable when not in use. This elegant but tough case has 4 air cushions that protect your phone from drops and other shocks. Raised borders might provide additional protection for your phone's camera and screen. 4. Apple Leather Case. Apple's leather cover for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro is unrivaled when it comes to creating a tight fit. It has a pleasant feel to it and comes in a range of colors. It's fashionable, practical, and doesn't add any more weight. Genuine MagSafe compatibility offers speedy wireless charging and access to Apple's accessory ecosystem, and carefully tanned and treated leather gives better protection than silicone. The exterior, which is made of finely tanned and treated leather, is comfortable to the touch and develops a natural patina with time. The cover fits tightly over your iPhone without adding bulk and snaps into place swiftly. The case features built-in magnets that exactly match with the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, ensuring a spectacular attach and detach experience every time. Wireless charging is now faster and easier than ever thanks to the perfectly positioned magnets. When it's time to charge, just remove the case from your iPhone and connect it to your MagSafe charger or a Qi-certified charger. 3. Smartish Gripzilla Armor Case. Smartish hopes to help reduce one of the most aggravating reasons our phones leave our hands in the first place, a slick grip. As a result, the Gripzilla Armor Case for the iPhone 12 Pro was created to address this issue. The case has a sturdy frame and gripping, grooved sides to guarantee that your phone fits as comfortably as possible in your hand. The case's back is textured, which ensures that your iPhone 12 Pro never leaves your grip. This is also one of the most economical solutions to secure your iPhone 12 Pro, at $20. 2. Totallee super thin. For many people, phone cases don't have to be fancy or feature-packed. As long as your phone is protected, a cover has done its duty. With their super thin iPhone 12 Pro cover, Totallee hopes to appeal to this demographic. Totallee's case, which comes in 4 different colors and translucent and matte versions, provides practically weightless protection with no branding or logos. It's one of the thinnest cases available, and it perfectly suits your phone. Best of all, despite its thinness, the super thin case can protect your phone from scratches and banging about in your pocket or bag. Plus, if you get tired of one hue, you can always switch it out for another one. 1:N.N. Compatible for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. It's made of high-quality leather with lovely stitching in red, blue, brown, and black. Antique and exquisite for your iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro PU leather case, this case has been manufactured with professionalism, workmanship, and a polished appearance. Luxurious fancy and high-quality soft PU leather case with beautiful stitching fits ideal for your iPhone 12 Pro and looks rich for man and women. The best fit for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 cut to perfection on all cameras, buttons, and support wireless charging. Made with a higher ranking and more exquisite leather design just for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inches, we want you to be satisfied with your device. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.